Hey guys, it's me Marvellous Maahin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to make shrimps. And before we get started, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel with post notifications on. Ingredients you will need are shrimps, pepper, salt, lemon juice, ginger, corn flour, all-purpose flour, egg white, and oil. Now let's get started. First off, before we get started cooking, we have to make sure we wash our hands properly. Step 1. Wash the shrimps properly. Step 2. Add in garlic, lemon juice, pepper, and salt into the shrimps. So this dish that I'm making is called shrimps, and it is a type of seafood and it is mostly eaten in Japan. Step 3. Marinate the shrimps for 30 minutes. Step 4. Mix together all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt, and pepper to make the coating powder. To make the coating powder, we will mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Step 5. Coat all the shrimps. To coat your shrimps, you will dip the shrimp into the coating powder, then into the egg white, then back again into the coating powder. And this way, by double coating your shrimps, you will have more crispier shrimps. Step 6. Fry the shrimps. To fry the shrimps, first we will heat up our oil. After the oil is heated, you can start putting in your shrimps into the pan to fry them. You will know your shrimps are cooked when they will look golden and crispy. And boom, there you have it, your very own delicious shrimps. Thank you so much for watching my video, and once again, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel with post notifications on. Thank you. Goodbye and have a nice day.